What's up, my friends? Welcome to New View Tech Review. My name is David Gelly, and today we are unboxing the Galaxy S10 Plus. So let's get to it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so here we are with the much anticipated Galaxy S10 Plus. This is the Prism Black version, and I am super stoked that I was able to get my hands on this. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the unboxing since that's what you're here to see in the first place. So let me get my trusty knife to get the back open since it's got some seals on it. Alright, so this is definitely some paperwork, but it's pretty jammed in there. I'm not sure why they put it in that way. It's kind of strange. Anyway, so we got the SIM card ejector tool right there, and my guess is just some boring pamphlets in here. Yeah. Alright, so this is what we're here to see. This bad boy, look at this thing. Alright, so apparently this comes with a pre-installed screen protector on it. I guess it's not very good, so I hear, but it's something to work with the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner that comes in it. I hear that glass screen protectors are not going to work with the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, so they pre-install a screen protector on there for you, which is pretty cool, I guess, but it's better than nothing. And as you can tell, it's gonna definitely be a fingerprinty phone. It's gonna soak up all those nasty fingerprints. That's why I have one of these. And so it looks like we have the Bixby button here on the left side, and from what I hear, you can remap that finally. So thank you, Samsung. I'll definitely be checking that out upon my upcoming review. And then, of course, there's the volume rocker and then the power button. And we obviously don't have a fingerprint scanner this year on the back because that's up here. And of course we got the 3 cameras here at the top, each with a different field of view. So I'll definitely be testing those out in my review and give you guys some samples of videos and pictures to go along with the review. So let's set this off to the side right now and see what we got in the box. All right, so first things first, it looks like we get the AKG headphones. These things are amazing for headphones that just come in the box. So good on you, Samsung, for sticking to your guns and including headphones in the box, especially ones this high in quality. And then we get an adapter for Type A to Type C. And we get our cord, Type A to Type C, nothing special there, pretty standard. And of course we get the power brick. All right, so here's a quick overview of everything that comes in the box. So of course we get the box itself, the Type A to Type C power cord, the charging block, the beautiful Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus itself, pamphlets that nobody's going to read, Type A to Type C adapter, different ear fittings for the headphones, and then the AKG headphones itself. So now we got the box contents out of the way, let's get this phone turned on and see what it looks like. All right, so the phone is all set up and ready to go. I set up the fingerprint scanner and I was testing it out a little bit and it seems to be kind of slow. I don't know if it's the free screen protector that comes on it or what, but I've seen other people get it to react a lot faster. Actually, that one was pretty good, but yeah, sometimes it just seems a little bit slow and it might just take some getting used to figure out where the fingerprint scanner is under the actual panel, you know? Oh, and I totally forgot to take off the back plastics, so we're gonna need a moment of silence, please. Boom, baby. I'm actually really digging this front-facing camera cutout right here at the top where the OLED panel goes around it. It just looks so futuristic, and we haven't seen anything quite like it yet. A few other phones have done something similar to this, but Samsung is probably the biggest manufacturer that has implemented this so far. And something to keep in mind is those are not two front-facing cameras. One is actually a depth sensing sensor, and the other is the actual front-facing camera. So on the S10 Plus, you get the dual sensors up here on the front, and then the S10 and the S10e, you just get a single sensor on the top. So far the display is just incredible. I mean, it looks buttery smooth and crispy and just amazing. I mean, Samsung is one of the best when it comes to OLED panels, and they definitely save the best for themselves instead of giving the best that they have to Apple. I mean, it just looks like a sticker on the front, and it looks like you could just grab it out of the phone. It's really impressive. Alright guys, so that's about all I have for the unboxing and first impressions of the Galaxy S10 Plus. I'm super excited to get this phone tested and put it through its paces and see how it stacks up in this year's lineup of 2019 phones. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up down below and stay tuned for the upcoming review. That's all I had for you today, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing and first impressions of the Galaxy S10 Plus. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.